The smartwatch race just got serious because Huawei has surpassed Apple for the first time as the global leader in smartwatch shipments for the second quarter of 2025. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to your Tech Hub. According to Counterpoint Research, Huawei's smartwatch shipments soared by 52% year over year, capturing 21% of the global market and leaving Apple behind for the very first time. The driving force behind Huawei's rise, of course, China. The world's largest smartwatch market came back this quarter, fueling an overall 8% global growth in smartwatch shipments. Looks like Chinese consumers have become hungry for homegrown tech. Brands like Xiaomi and Emu also saw double-digit growth, up 38% and 21% respectively, further giving China a firm lane to stand on. On the other side, the Western tech giants, Apple and Samsung, both slipped by 3%, losing ground as Chinese brands surged ahead. While Apple still holds the high position in the premium smartwatch space, all thanks to its loyal fans and high-end features, the loss feels like the center of gravity in the tech world is changing. And to make matters worse for Apple, analysts said that the Asian market will grow further by 7% in 2025. Huawei's win shows how cutting-edge design, competitive pricing, and strategic localization are now real threats to Apple's supremacy. In short, the game has changed. The smartwatch game is no longer a race between Apple and Samsung because Huawei has officially entered the chat and it's playing to win. What are your thoughts about this? Can Huawei capture the loyal fan base of Apple? Tell us your thoughts in the comments. Smash that like button and subscribe to GadInsider. Hit the bell icon so you stay updated with more tech news.